Learn English from scratch, short phrases. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. She is right. She is right. She is right. You have a bag. You have a bag. You have a bag. There is bread. There is bread. There is bread. You listen to music. You listen to music. You listen to music. You speak German. You speak German. You speak German. You'll come later. You'll come later. You'll come later. It's snowing outside. It's snowing outside. It's snowing outside. You are my family. You are my family. You are my family. He is afraid. He is afraid. He is afraid. You are lucky. You are lucky. You are lucky. He is tall. He is tall. He is tall. She is drinking wine. She is drinking wine. She is drinking wine. You are my friend. You are my friend. You are my friend. I like coffee. I like coffee. I like coffee. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. We are driving. We are driving. We are driving. We are at home. We are at home. We are at home. I am tired. I am tired. I am tired. He knows her. He knows her. He knows her. You have money. You have money. You have money. She is writing a letter. She is writing a letter. She is writing a letter. You are listening to music. You are listening to music. You are listening to music. You swim in the pool. You swim in the pool. You swim in the pool. I am wearing shoes. I am wearing shoes. I am wearing shoes. I am hungry. I am hungry. I am hungry. We are learning English. We are learning English. We are learning English. He visits his parents. He visits his parents. He visits his parents. She works in the office. She works in the office. She works in the office. I drink tea. I drink tea. I drink tea. I'm running late. I'm running late. I'm running late. We speak German. We speak German. We speak German. It's raining today. It's raining today. It's raining today. You are playing tennis. You are playing tennis. You are playing tennis. It will rain tomorrow. It will rain tomorrow. It will rain tomorrow. You eat fish. You eat fish. You eat fish. You are beautiful. You are beautiful. You are beautiful. You dance together. You dance together. You dance together. She understands him. She understands him. She understands him. I'm watching a movie. I'm watching a movie. I'm watching a movie. You are my neighbors. You are my neighbors. You are my neighbors. He eats a sandwich. He eats a sandwich. He eats a sandwich. We are happy. We are happy. We are happy. He opens the door. He opens the door. He opens the door. You are thirsty. You are thirsty. You are thirsty. You are young. You are young. You are young. She is smart. She is smart. She is smart. You buy a present. You buy a present. You buy a present. It's hot outside. It's hot outside. It's hot outside. She closes the window. She closes the window. She closes the window. It's a dog. It's a dog. It's a dog. We have time. We have time. We have time. I see a bird. I see a bird. I see a bird. We're going out. We're going out. We're going out. You are nice. You are nice. You are nice. There is water. There is water. There is water. You love music. You love music. You love music. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. He reads a book. He reads a book. He reads a book. We are cycling. We are cycling. We are cycling.
Merci d'avoir regardé. N'oubliez pas de vous abonner à ma chaîne. Au revoir.